The key to freedom is realizing the compassionate nature of God. Treachery of any kind is a self-degrading choice. Stealing from a brother or a sister that shares humanity with you, with someone else. Is equal to stealing from the self and stealing from God. And the most dehumanizing kind of treachery is stealing someone's right to have a harmonious life. A toxic belief has been formed collectively that God allows degrading and abusive experiences so we can achieve a state of inner alignment, union, and become independent in a way or another. Yet what God truly represents is the interdependence of love, sharing and receiving love with one another. It is not in God's aligned interest to create harming experiences. Yet the ego has constructed that as a self-defense belief to empower the self to overcome the struggle. And indeed, at a certain extent, it does work. It is functioning. But facing truth and choosing loving experiences, knowing what is happening within and around, is the truest path towards inner union. It is not a matter of empowering the self and taking responsibility for the harm that you are not responsible for, but choosing love for the self and compassion for your soul. That came here to experience love in various forms and not other reasons. The key to freedom is realizing the compassionate nature of God and using this as an anchor to understand reality and to understand the occurrences within your life or the lives of others. And then empowering the self means aligning with that anchor, which is the compassionate nature of God. Take the burden off your shoulders by simply realizing that not all beings are using their free will righteously. Yet, if that living being were to have awareness of their heart, they would have the realization of God also being there. Yet they have to become aware of that first. Blessings.